Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know what? Let me take this off just so I can speak to you guys more clearly. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today we got some alone time with the Supra because it's been a bit since we've given it some love. But today's a special day because we're gonna be installing the rest of our carbon aero parts for it. This includes front lip, which I just picked up off eBay for really cheap. Well, cheap considering most of the parts on this thing are like around $1,000. I don't actually know what the front lip is called. And the other aero parts, we got a TRD carbon fiber door garnish that replaces this part on the door, and also TRD rear aprons that match it. So 3 parts. And then I have this like side splitter part that I run on the FRS that I might be able to put on this thing too, but we'll see how it looks first. So yeah, today, Super Day, Lego. Now sadly, I might have to work on this. Actually, I was gonna say I had to work on this outside, but it's actually a beautiful day outside. It's just, there's 2 non-running cars inside here, so I can't really work on the Supra inside. Oh, presents from Infamous. I was complimenting him on how dope these hoodies look. It's this neon green, but it stood out. Very simple. Yeah, exactly. Ooh, that would have been disrespect. Okay, thanks, bro. All right, guys, let's show you the pretty carbon. So again, I have no idea what this front lip is called. So if anyone out there does know, leave it in the comment section below for other people to reference. I just thought it was the coolest looking front lip that was available for the 2020 Supra. And then this is the carbon fiber TRD door garnish, which is a full replacement. Turn it around, and it looks like it's just these 2 bolts and then 2 areas which look like they fit grommets. So 2 clips, 2 screws. Easy enough. And remember, I got these TRD carbon aero parts a few months ago, including the rear aprons. But before we install these parts, I plan on PPFing them with some fake carbon fiber vinyl wrap because I don't actually have clear paint protection film here. And I'm only gonna be doing the areas that are prone to getting hit with rocks. So like the parts that are in the wheel well. So like here. Ideally, I'd like for all of my carbon parts to be wrapped in paint protection film. But yeah, I'm new to the material. Plus we don't have any here. So work with what you know and work with what you got. Actually, you know what? Let's quickly mock it up on the Supra so you guys get a better idea of what it looks like on the car. The time it took for me to do that, I could have probably installed one of these parts. Because judging by all of the bolt placements, you're probably just going to be using the OEM tabs that are already on the Supra. So, front lip, TRD door garnish, and also the matching TRD rear apron. This back piece actually fits on so nicely. Like, it's already on there. Super clean. All right, let's just get on to installing these bad boys. Go, go! No, that's so lame. We ended up putting 3M here and a little piece here, which is still not very noticeable from this side, but it's just extra support. Peel those off. Be careful and press. Beautiful. Alright, on to the door garnishes. So from what I can speculate, it's only 2 bolts holding this in, and also 2 clips on the bottom. And those screws are found right behind this rubber liner. One is right there. Follow it down just a little bit and you'll find the second one. From the other side, right here and right here. Luckily they made it long enough so you don't run the risk of having it fall inside the door panel. Once those 2 bolts are off, you can proceed to carefully unclip the clips. I see a little white part up here. That's one. And I'll just follow it along. This one's a little harder. Don't want to break anything, man. So I was wrong. There's more clips than just 2. Just found out that there's some adhesive on the bottom of this. So I'm gonna quickly heat that with a heat gun, and then we should be able to get the rest of the clips off. Hard part's over. So close. Whew. Oh, I thought I broke one of the clips. Just came off. All right, now that the real hard part is done, we just gotta go through the effort of transferring all of these clips, which shouldn't take too long. Let's do this. Comparison. So we'll turn this around just so you guys get a good idea. Wait, let me compare this. The F, dude. Yeah, you're only gonna be using 2. This one and this one. That's odd. But should just be able to transfer. Just gotta make sure it goes inside the groove. I am thinking of putting a strip of 3M on the bottom just for extra safety. But now I'm looking at the screws for this side, and the OEM bolts are way small, man. I'm gonna have to use something else. It even compensates for this part, so I don't have to take this off. Look at that. Not even on there. Cool. All right, so just those 2 clips, and I have to find 2 new bolts for this side. We decided we're gonna be using nut certs for the screws because I can't find any bolts that fit. And also, this is probably a lot more secure. Seen this done once, or actually I've seen this done many times. Fairly straightforward. All right, so first what you want to do is just re-drill these holes slightly bigger, just so you can fit the nut certs snugly. Is that a word? I just asked myself like a judge at a spelling bee if this word could be used in a sentence, and it can. This dog is snugly. All right, yeah, drill. Snug. So we put 3M on this part, which is gonna be sticking right here, and on the bottom area. You guys wanna make sure that these clips are pushed all the way in the grooves so that they line up. Whew. We ended up putting the same size nut certs that we used to attach my rally backer kit onto my FRS. That's why we're just gonna be using the same bolts. My first time seeing if this even fits, eh? Nice. That actually worked out way better than I planned. Like that. Beautiful. Oh, except this looks like it needs to be replaced. That's ugly. Jesse, this needs to be a real carbon pillar, okay? I'm gonna give this to you. sick. Damn. Just make sure the 3M's fully on. All right, let's move on to the front splitter, finally. The last remaining piece to this puzzle we call life. Remember, this side has the evasive tuning front fenders and the others doesn't, so this side is way more complete. Woo. Look at that. Slowly, but ever so surely. Okay, so it's actually all OEM bolts. The front are T-screws, or is it what do you call them? T-Allens or Allen T?
Allen bolts.
Luckily for us, this front splitter came with the holes pre-drilled. All right. So the 3 holes on the far sides have to be the same diameter as this clip. So you may have to make them just a little bit bigger if they don't fit. Courtesy of Jesse. Trying to get the first 3 screws in first, but you don't want to tighten it too much because you still want to be able to rip the backing off the 3M. Oh God, it's getting a little windy. Okay, so Bobby was able to take his car outside of the garage, so I can move the Supra inside. Because a storm is brewing. Woo! And also, don't do this at home, guys. Jacking your car up on a slant isn't the safest, okay? Oh shit, I need that. No, my 3M. Oh my God. All right, we're done. Oh, fudge. No, I wasn't paying attention to the 3M. Oh man. Perfect. This is the last. It's a little too tight. Unless this side's much better. Damn, it's pretty tight, man. All right, that should be good. Okay, this is a 2-hand job. That didn't sound right. Beautiful. We ended up having to drill the 4 back holes. Those didn't actually go into the OEM holes, which I originally thought was the case. And we also had to drill 2 holes on the sides, just underneath this area. So we drilled it out and we ended up using the stock bolts that it came with. I don't think this is going anywhere. Damn, that looks sick. Okay, actually, this is perfect. It is golden hour. So this install is complete, but before we end this video, let us take some beauty shots of all of the carbon Aero goodness. Yeah. that is it for this install video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you didn't, drop a like anyway. And if you guys want to pick up some KMR swag, make sure you head over to kingsmusteraz.com. Other than that, as usual, be sure to hit the sub button if you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel. Drop a like and leave some good vibes in the comments, and we will catch you guys on the next vlog. Peace. Ciao bella. See ya. What's up, Jess? Have a good night, man. Woo. That kid is so hot, boy. His plan actually was to drift that thing, so yeah. Fitting wide body, but he says he doesn't like the rear bumper, but I love that.